Welcome back, everyone. This is Resourceful Marcus. Thanks for coming back and watching my channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe. So I'm going to be doing a little video here on this pump that I have to try to increase the volume on my micro irrigation. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to try to set this pump up here. See what we can do, right? Set up here. See what I'm doing the right way here. Never used one of these before. We're gonna see here. This is just a test fit anyways. Trial and error. Should probably leak a little. Now I already had some of these parts around. Scavenge some of these parts from other projects I've had in the past. And we're going to see what we can do here with her. Which might leak a bit. This is just a test fit anyways. Test run. Channel locks on these fittings. Gonna be a sticky one today. She's already pretty sticky here. Yep. I'm just gonna put a little bit of shitty plumber's tape they give you with this stuff when you buy it for now, and then I'll put the better plumber's tape after I see if this is gonna work the right way. Dropsies today, dropping stuff everywhere here. Shitty plumber's tape. This will do for now. Is for the test run. Cheap, shitty plumber's tape. Very cheap, very crappy. Yeah, this will do for now. It's for the test fit anyways. Should get enough. It's kind of cheap, this plumber's tape. This stuff's garbage. I got better stuff. This is just to set her up for now. She does leak a little bit. See what I'm doing here. Put the camera back a little bit there so you can see. Usually like to use channel locks on this, but that's what I'm doing for now. Just gonna try to get this bottom out so that the piss water everywhere. Okay. For that for now. Now. Actually, you know what? I got an end here. My bad. I need this end. I'll take this end back off. Need it. Oh well. That's the way she goes sometimes. going to increase the volume. We'll find out shortly here when we give her a test run. Alright, so let's see what's going on here. Try to put this on here now with the hose already on her. A little stubborn. We'll get her. This is just kind of like a mock-up of what I'm doing anyways. We'll give her... Alright. Give her hell here. Sit level. Now I need to put, as I say, this is all stuff I've already have around. These are fittings and stuff. This is one of these fittings for a garden hose with the clamp. So I'm going to put that on this end here. You're able to see this the right way. Slide that on there like that. Just clamp on here. Typically these are used for when you're fixing your garden hose. Get it to start here. There she goes. Just gotta keep tightening them down. It clamps down on her. And she's gonna be a sticky one today. She's already, humidity's already shot up quite high. What you can do with these is you gotta keep tightening back and forth on each side. We're getting her, guys. This takes time. pretty thick hose, that's why it's... Alright, now I need to get a different... I'm going to strip this. I don't want to do that. No, that's as tight as she's going to go. Hopefully she don't leak. No, can't get her any tighter. That's the problem with Starhead stuff. Alright, now this over here so you can see better where I'm hooking up here to hook up to my I have a splitter here where I split this end here, if you can see that. You can see that. I gotta undo that. Alright, just give me a moment, guys. Alright, I had to unplug the pump to this because this fitting here is probably under extreme pressure right now. Back the pressure off. Fitting here is on here, snugger than a bug on a rug. Be stubborn to get her off. We'll get her. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. She might be seizured on there. This could be a problem, guys. Houston, we may have a problem here. That's how she goes. Ups and downs. Yin and yang. She's seizured on there. Well, I'm gonna have to try a different way here, guys. For now, I really don't like doing this because I'm twisting my 4-inch line for my micro irrigation, but oh wow. There she goes. Can't get that undone right now. So we're gonna hook her into here. And this is a fun thing, I'm twisting. It's what I really don't want to do right now, but I am twisting it. There she be. True life struggles. People. that's that. Hooked up temporarily. Let's see here. Put you back over here so you can see what I'm doing over this way here. Now, just gonna temporarily hook this up. Put some of this shitty plumber's tape on here just to be safe. Don't piss too much water anywhere. Water is expensive. Here, guys, because to put this in line. This needs to go in line. Get her. We'll give her. This hose leaks here, but I already know that. That's the thing with these OEM fittings on a lot of these garden hoses. That's another reason why I go with these. I'm just going to test it like that for now, and then I need to put this shut-off valve in here.